Hello gang, how you going? Sky Pilot here. The parcel. Let's crack on into it. So to save time, I've already ripped the parcel, and inside we've got a few cool items here. First cool item is the XT60 female to XT30 male plug adapter. You have to charge it. You might think, that's not very cool, but I need one of these, so that's cool. I don't need to review that anymore. Link in the description, however, should you have come across my video and realise I need one of those, check down below guys, you'll find it right there. Okay, so what I've grabbed for myself from banggood.com, have a look down below again guys, you'll see it down there. And I recently purchased the DJI OSMO Action, and I thought I actually need a case of this thing, so I went hunting, good friends at Banggood, and I found these cool little cases. First one I have here to show you guys is the 2U. Okay, it's the EVA waterproof storage bag, and specifically made for the OSMO Action. So it actually size is about 8.5 by around 7.5 centimeters. You get it in black, weighs 39 grams. Comes with this cool little backpack strap here, which is pretty cool. Looks fairly sturdy, feels fairly sturdy. Feels like yeah, pretty good quality actually. Inside is some nice soft material, so I won't scratch any of the three lenses on your OSMO Action. It says waterproof. I'm not too sure exactly how waterproof it is. I may test it out in an upcoming video. However, it just looks like a standard zip, so I would suggest it's not fully waterproof. However, it would certainly offer some water resistant protection, I would imagine. So what you do with this, you grab your OSMO Action, and it actually fits inside with the OSMO case surrounded on it, and you just simply slot it in there like so and zip it up like so. Got two zips on it and carry away, so certainly offer a fair bit of protection for you should you need to carry this out in the field, somewhere where you think it's going to get knocked around or dropped or what have you. So that's a pretty cool little addition. I like it. I shall be using it in the field quite a lot. So the second item in this parcel is another DJI OSMO Action. Let me get that out of here. Carry case pouch. Again, this one is by Telesin. Slightly different dimensions to that of the 2U. This one is about 90 by 72 by 48 mil. 28 grams in weight. Now this is actually a lot harder than the 2U. The material is slightly different. However, it still does offer that nice soft insert there, so it protects your OSMO Action. The Osmo fits in there quite nicely, closes up, but the difference is it actually leaves the bottom mount open like so, and protects the whole camera assembly itself. So the idea being, let's jump ahead in time a couple of seconds. Quite simply, if you've got it attached to your tripod or what have you out in the field, starts to rain, or you think, oh, I've got to go somewhere else quickly, you can just slot it in this nice protective case here, zip it up, and yeah, away you go. So fully protected, nice little bubble here for the actual lens. So yeah, have a bit of a knock around, and when you're ready to roll, zip it off again and